The ArtecRobo 2.0 Python set Extended Edition was developed by taking into account the most recent standards and requirements of national school curricula of Japan and other developed countries. This kit was made especially for kids who have no experience with programming and robotics to learn coding in Python step by step. This kit comes with all of the hardware, software, and parts that you need to start making your own robots, plus step-by-step manuals perfect for beginners. Start learning how to code in Python even if you're just starting out. The set includes the following ArtecRobo and Artec block parts. Unlock the full potential of your hardware with fully illustrated textbooks and helpful reference manuals. There is a total of 8 manuals that contain a total of 26 lessons. You can learn how to code in Python by following step-by-step textbooks. The textbooks are more than just instructions on how to build and program the robots. They provide detailed insights and facts about the technology you see and use in everyday life. The introduction manual has been prepared for teachers to understand the basics behind our solution before getting started. Furthermore, we have arranged detailed lesson textbooks that contain tips, sample programs, and much more to help teachers conduct flawless classes. ArtecRobo 2.0 is the perfect way to start introducing professional programming languages and the most advanced modern technological concepts.